What is covered under the Polestar warranty? If you are curious about what is covered under the Polestar warranty, you are in the right place. Let's break down the details to help you understand what protections come with your Polestar vehicle. The Polestar warranty primarily focuses on manufacturing defects and material faults. This means if something goes wrong due to how the car was made, you are likely covered. First, there is basic vehicle coverage. This covers all manufacturing or material defects for the first 4 years or 50,000 miles, whichever comes first. This warranty is transferable, so if you sell your car within that time, the new owner will also benefit from this coverage. Next up is the battery and electric motor coverage. Since Polestar vehicles are electric, this is a key area of focus. The warranty extends to 8 years or 100,000 miles for the high-voltage battery and electric motors. If the battery's state of health drops below 70% of its original capacity during this period, Polestar will replace it at no cost. Additionally, there is corrosion protection. This warranty covers against rust-related damage for up to 12 years. This is important to ensure that your vehicle's body remains in good condition over time. Safety is also a priority, so Polestar provides a 5-year warranty on the airbag system. This ensures that critical safety components are protected against defects during this time. However, it is important to note what is not covered. Routine maintenance items and wear and tear parts, such as brake rotors and wiper blades, are not included. Damage from accidents or external factors typically falls outside warranty coverage. Although, Polestar has been known to address certain battery damage caused by road debris on a case-by-case basis. From the perspective of auto insurance, understanding the Polestar warranty is helpful. It clarifies which repairs are the manufacturer's responsibility and what might requiring a claim through your auto insurance. For example, defects covered by the warranty would not affect your insurance claims or premiums. In contrast, damage from accidents would typically be handled through your insurance policy. Polestar also offers roadside assistance, which complements the warranty. This service provides support during breakdowns or emergencies, enhancing your ownership experience. It can also help reduce the need for insurance-related roadside service claims. In summary, the Polestar warranty covers manufacturing defects for 4 years or 50,000 miles, with extended battery and electric motor protection for 8 years or 100,000 miles. There is corrosion protection for 12 years and airbag coverage for 5 years. This comprehensive warranty helps minimize unexpected repair costs, while auto insurance remains essential for coverage of accidents and wear and tear.